Okay, 1 year. 1 year, and we've been cooking. Well, I've been cooking. You haven't. That's right back on my channel, and you're just watching while you're relaxing. I'm gonna be taxing every one of my YouTubers will be taxed every time they watch this video. So if y'all don't like and subscribe, y'all will be taxed $1 million coming in your mail, and I'm gonna be sent to my house, and your parents are gonna be contacted by the narcos to meet at this location. If they don't meet at this location, you'll be held for ransom for 2 million. So double it or nothing. You're in bad luck. So like and subscribe. Anyways, if we get this order block, right here, it is a bearish order block. So we trade up into it. We trade lower. We create another order block right here. Then AM session, we was hovering around it, reacting off it bearishly, rejecting it. Only the wicks were trading up into here, while bodies were closing down here. This is telling us that the story is that the price wants to go lower. And look how we've been trading in this range too. Since the price range is here, paint drips. So we can see this. So we got to roll down here too, because this is the 15-minute buy side and balance sell side inefficiency. And we got another one here, but this is on the 1 hour chart. What we're currently looking at, this is where price went to. So if we went into the if I had went into the morning going bearish, because I had took a long and I lost. I took a long aiming for relative equal highs when this was holding price bearish. I should not have done that. I should have watched how this 7 a.m. candle reacted, and I should have stayed at the market and waited to the New York opening, because we had no manipulation in the morning. There was no news at all. So look at this lethargic price action, and look how Monday traded too. Because after a bank holiday Monday, so yeah, this was expected. And so we can look here, back talking over here. Okay, so we have sell side right here, resting, sell side right here, sell side right here, and we're trading inside Monday's range. We have not expanded out this range. We've been trading inside the range. So intraday price action is key. So we're looking here, paint drips down. Okay, so look, trading here, right? Where else can price go? Is there any efficiencies up here? Yeah, like this wick right here, but like this water block is holding price here. So we can expect price to go down into this buy side and sell side inefficiency. If price trades down to this buy side sell side inefficiency and does not reject or reverse off of it, we can anticipate this low being taken. So this is a sell side key level we can watch. This is another sell side key level we can watch, because this is also on the 1 hour chart. This is on the 15-minute chart. You can basically frame it off both charts if you wanted to, if you're aiming for this. Well, it doesn't really matter because it's sell side and it's shorting. So, but one thing, the things that caught me off this morning is because we were trading here, we took out this low, boom. I'm looking for longs now because we rejected off of this here, rejected off of the midnight opening price and this buy side, sell side inefficiency. We didn't even trade into it, so I'm like, okay, we're bullish. We're gonna go take out those highs. My impulsive self, well, I can't even say that. You gotta have positive self-talk. Okay, so we have a 5-minute inverse fair value gap right here. Price trades into it. Okay, price traded into it. Now, what am I looking for? I'm looking for longs after I saw an expansion off of it, which was not the right idea, because look over here, we have this resistance right here, and we're pre-market before market opens, so the market can easily trick traders and going long before wrecking them and going short. So yeah, that's my mistake. And another reason why I should not have went long is because, let me think. Hold on. There has to be another reason. Oh yeah, take a look out here too. Look. Yeah. See, we have been pretty bearish. We got this fair value gap right here. Yeah. Pretty bad trade. My mistake on my end. Should not have done. Let me limit the fair value gap so you know what I'm talking about. this value gap right here. Why did magnet off? Boom. Yep, that one right there. You see how price reacting right there? That's pretty bearish to me, if you ask me. We don't even like trade above this mean threshold. So us not trading above mean threshold right here is indicating bearishness. If it traded above mean threshold, we could expect this level to be hit, these levels to be hit, but it did not. So we traded lower, targeting this. We traded it here. What could we expect? We have a breaker formation too. Price straight into the breaker. This place lower. Yo, let me show you my second loss. It was on the morning entry. I was trying to go long because I was like not thinking clearly. I was not. I don't know what I was really trading off of, to be honest. You know, mistakes on my end. I have wins. Trust me, I have wins. Like look up. Like I have a journal. Yes, I have a journal. I have wins. Tape read wins, not real wins though. But you feel me? Same thing. Go over here. We can see this price straight down to this buy side, sell side efficiency. Look how we react. I mean, we create this I think it's a little small little gap at 930. Let me check. Yeah, little small little gap. You could have entered off of that and just targeted this. That would have been low hanging fruit, especially because you have more confidence. Like the opening range gaps, concentrated encroachment. I mean, let me label that for y'all. See, so yeah, this could be your two targets: the sell side level, which is this relative equal lows resting below the market. We could take those, trade into here. We use it as resistance. We even trade lower from here into this other sell side. Because whenever you're trading sell side, you never try to pick the bottom of the market. You know, never a good idea. You want to see like strong confirmations, like this fair value gap getting inverted. Use that as support, and then we trade above this. Boom, trade above here. This could have been an entry right here. The breaker, enter off this, and then trade to the opening range gap high, or taking out these highs right here. This would have been a good trade, but I was off the markets because I hit my daily trade limit. So, and I'm off after I took 2 losses. Hold on, some of my TP colors off. Stop. What the freak did I do earlier? Put it on 20. Okay, but yeah, it could have been a nice trade. Stop right here. Could allow, if you wanted it to be safer, you can allow it to trade to this wick right here. These 2 wicks, nice little stop. Trade right here. If you wanted more, take it on to the opening range gap high. But if you look here, okay, let's find the short for this morning too. Macro window. So we open the macro. So a macro joins. We take out this high. Did we take out that high? No, we did not. So this is basically minor buy side liquidity. Okay, so we trade above here. Take that low out. We come here. We failed to even like try to displace higher. We're really like we're trading like 1 tick above this basically. Is that 1 tick? Let me see. Yeah, about like 1 tick, and then wait, is it even 1 tick? What am I looking at? Like 2 ticks above sequential encroachment. And we just like wicking right here, we trade right here, boom, displacement lower. We're like trading into this gap right here too. I'm gonna include the volume balance too. No, why not? Let's make this color. What color do y'all like? Red. Let's make it red. Make it like appealing to your eyes. So we got a red fair value gap, first presented fair value gap, and look, we trade up into it. Boom, displacement lower right after that. At the SMT, let me see if it's SMT right here. Going to 1 minute. Pretty sure there's like, yeah, they took out these highs right here. I was watching that, and this morning too, I was like, oh, this is gonna reverse, and guess what happened? Wrecked me right out my trade, bro. I had to enter off like an order block. I entered off this order block right here. After I saw this right here, and I was like, dang, it's gonna be a clean trade to go long. We're below both opening prices. Let's go target these relative equal highs. Nope. Just fucking take them out the marketplace. Boom, I'm out. But yeah, I got liquidated today. Nothing to worry about though. It's always a new setup. Don't get drugged up in your losses, guys. If y'all taking losses, just journal them and lock in, because you'll always find another setup. And so we trade here, displace lower, boom, I'm out. Yeah, we relative equal lows. That could have been an easy trade for y'all. Cause look at this, we're trading in this breaker too. This breaker too is like a 15-minute breaker, and so if y'all could have got an easy trade right there. Y'all could have entered right here, stop above like right here, or fucking right here, like right here. I don't know where I don't enter off breakers. I only enter off fair value gaps or order blocks, or say like I enter off like order blocks and fair value gaps. But if I'm entering off an order block, the order block has to be a narrative. Even though like a order block entry is not really ideal for my skills set, actually it could be. I use them sometimes when I think the market is booming, like it's just sending price higher and like it's not really allowing an entry. I just enter off an order block, proposing block, or something like that. Breaker. I entered off a breaker before, so I also enter off wicks too. I look at candle bodies. I treat them as gaps. I enter off a wick. And so we trade this first presented fair value gap. We trade lower from here, taking out this low and these lows. Oh, my mom called me. Hold on. Hold on. I gotta go. Fuck. Okay. Look how much the price even before I left, and look at now. It's gone. It's over here in 3 o'clock. I was over here like in 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. Now it's in 4 o'clock. You feel me? That's how time moves. Yeah, I gotta lock in. But look over here. So I think I was talking about these lows being taken out. But okay, so let's just skip to the raw meat. So we got this right. So we watching this part right here. Low is low. We get over it. This is indicating to me as bearish. We're trading over these order blocks. We're trading over this we invert this fair value gap. We make it inversion. Use it as support. Surprise higher. Boom. Where can our entry be? Right here. That's really a good entry. Unless you're on a 15-second chart. I don't got a 15-second chart though, cause Yeah, I'm on trading view normal. I'm got premium, but yeah, it do shit to open range gap high, send price lower, taking out the low again. This is very not. I don't like this price action. This price action, it's like it's very like I'm gonna run that way and run back down. Like I don't like that. But resting highs eventually, these highs eventually get taken later on during the day, like right here. Then yeah, that's the new story. I will move the price. Oh shit. Yo, we'll move into a premium, send it back to a